Here we go again. A demo. Yup, it looks sketchy. But you can always adjust it later. Alright, enough of that. First, we will need an actor blueprint. We only need a spline component in it. Another, we will need a widget blueprint. We just put canvas panel and centered image to act as a simple crosshair. Next, in third-person character blueprint. Create the crosshair widget, and set the reference for the animation blueprint in BeginPlay event. And, for the main custom event itself. As usual, a couple checks and balance before proceeding. The first trace, where you can adjust how far the character can leap. And another two-line trace, for each, of the previous trace return hit or not, to ensure the character know where to land. You can always tweak both of these, according to your particular needs. After we got the needed vector, it is time for the leaping begin. First, we will need to spawn the spline actor. It is either this, or you can always add a spline component in the third-person character blueprint itself. We need to set the minimum range to ensure everything works nicely. All these here determine how the spline are shaped. If you want the arc to be higher or lower, change the 0.2 according to your preference. The 0.2 in the map range are being added, adjusting the arc if you are trying to leap to higher location. You can tweak the spline tangent here. Try Z-1 for a dramatic landing. This here is where you can tweak how fast the character launch themselves. Oh, as a reminder, you can always check the video description if you want to copy all of this easily. I guess this here is the heart of it all. Just a plain 2-point timeline, with a 0 to 1 as the alpha. Consider this as the mid of the leap. Here I technically slow it down. This is reaching the end of the leap. In this example, I speed it up, because, why the heck not? Everything here is just to move the character along the spline. This determines how close the character following the spline shape. And after it finished, we reset everything. And with all that, we call the leap custom event in the default jump input. So, I guess that's it. Until next time.